Hi, my name's Victoria Willmott. I'm an Indytute partner and I make Lino printing kits. There's just something really magical about printmaking that was a bit of a hook for me. It's that tactile feeling that you get when you've made something from scratch. It is a very meditative process. My advice to someone working on their very first lino cutting kit is to make something that's truly yours. Either that's using a drawing of your own or a photograph that you've taken. You'll surprise yourself with how you maybe take to the lino. I find when I go out on a bike ride and take my sketchbook with me, that's a great way of finding inspiration. I love to sort of make up little stories of people's worlds just from what I can see. Maybe I'll notice other cyclists going by and I'll imagine their own adventures that they're going on. My biggest creative challenge has been overcoming perfectionism. So I find when I am getting a bit stuck, having that inner child voice to say, have fun and play is a really wonderful thing. I work a lot with arts workshops for adults but also for children, and I notice that they don't really stop to criticise what they've done mostly. They're usually pretty proud of it, so I was trying to channel that and take their advice really.